Hi people. I just thought I'd let you see what happens when I do the hoovering or vacuuming, whatever you want to call it. It's not so much whilst I'm vacuuming, it's what happens afterwards. With a certain little girl, you know, the abused unloved dog that I have. Sorry about the noise for a minute, people. Clean up the floor. That does not seem as... What? Well, you make all the mess then, don't you? You don't want to make the mess, not me. Okay, well, might well be me. But I can't take, you know, I don't have fur. Fur that I'm hoovering up deadly. Your chair. You've got lots of fur on it, isn't it? See? Lots of fur deadly. So I mean, you know, you really need brush to abuse dog. There we go, that's all done. Yeah, so you king of castle and you're better than Hoover. Careful you don't fall off. Up here, use your head, your tongue's poking out like a little old lady girly. Well, off you come. Thank you. Right, I've got to quickly wind this in very quickly. I'm going to do it really, really quickly, Zedley. Doing it really quickly. Will you let me do this? No, I didn't think so. What? What, Zed? Have I got my jeans undone? Probably. What, Zedley? Use just to show off, you. You can get off. I'm going to put Hoover away, Zedley. You know you wouldn't let Mummy put Hoover away. You're not going to let me put Hoover. Put Hoover away. I knew you were going to do this. See, this is the downside, people, of teaching your dog to go on everything. You're getting back up there again. Yeah, you're a clever girl. You're a clever girl. Right, I'm running away with the Hoover now, because otherwise she would just get on it again. Yeah, sometimes it's not so great. Yeah, what are you doing now? That's the old one. Come on, come with me, sir. Come here. Yeah, and who says having a trained dog's good fun? So come out this side, miss. Yes. She does that every time I vacuum, Hoover, or whatever you want to call it, sit. Come in a little bit, sit. Yes. Give me nose, yes. Give me nose and hold love that. Hold that love. I need love. I need love. And we're going to go. Please like, share and subscribe. Yay! You're good, silly girl. You silly girl. You silly girl.